Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Today we making strawberry banana stuffed French toast, baby. So good, so creamy, and so easy. Let me show you how I made it. First, we're going to start off with the custard. Go ahead and get you a bowl, add 2 eggs, milk, cinnamon and sugar, and some vanilla. Don't worry, I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description. Step by step, baby, because you have to make this. It's so good. Go ahead and slice you up some strawberries and some bananas. Not too thin, but not too thick. And get your cream cheese mixture. I got that in the description as well. Butter up your griddle or your skillet. Get your Texas toast in your custard. Make sure you dip it real good. Also, if you can, make sure your bread is about a day old and a little bit stale. I know that sounds hella crazy, but it holds the custard just right and it keeps it from getting soggy. Also, make sure you put enough butter on that griddle because, baby, these brown edges, this crisp is a must. Go ahead and get your cream cheese mixture. It's really just powdered sugar and cream cheese whipped up until creamy, y'all. It's in the description, don't worry. Spread that on your bread, because next you're going to get these bananas on here, y'all. It's going to be so creamy and so good. Get your bananas, lay them flat so the sandwich will be flat and not all bumpy and weird. Go ahead and get your cream cheese mixture on top of them bananas so your strawberries will stick without moving too much. Get your strawberries on there, your other piece of bread. Go ahead and flip that. You're going to cook it for about 5 minutes on each side. Look at that crisp. Look at that golden brown. Let's cut that and see what we got. Oh man, this is so good, y'all. Go ahead and get your powdered sugar on there. I mean, it looks so professional. Super easy, y'all. Recipe in the description, step-by-step instructions. Y'all make this. I hope y'all have an amazing day. I'm finna tear this up real quick, and I'll holler at you later. She in the kitchen, and she whipping.